Yes, good morning children. So பாருங்க நமக்கு 8th மேக்ஸில் சாப்டர் 3 அல்ஜிப்ராவில் எக்ஸசைஸ் 3.1ல் கொஷின் நம்பர் 1, 2, 3 அப் டு 8 சம்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம். 8 சம்ஸு பார்த்துருக்கோம். நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது இப்போ கொஷின் நம்பர் 9 பாருங்க. இப்போ எக்ஸசைஸ் 3.1. Okay, so what is the question number 9? Question number 9 பாருங்க. Question number 9. So what is the question? A car moves at a uniform speed uniform speed of x plus 30 kilometer per hour. Then find the distance covered. Find the distance covered by the car in y plus 2 hours. Okay, so the hint is given, that is distance that is equal to speed into time. Okay, a car moves at a uniform speed. So what is given speed will be, that is speed that is equal to x plus 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, then so what is the given time that is y plus 2 hours. Actually, what is the formula? Distance equal to speed into time. That is distance traveled, that is equal to speed into time. Therefore d equal to, what is s value? That is x plus 30 into time y plus 2. Actually we want to product the each term. First one, x into y, xy, x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, 30 into y, 30y, 30 into 2, 60, x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, 30 into y, 30y, 30 into 2, 60. Therefore distance traveled at that is what is asking, distance covered by the car. Therefore the distance covered by the car that is equal to xy plus 2x plus 30y plus 60 plus 60. This is for the distance covered by the car. Distance covered by the car. Is it clear? So what's the question? A car moves at a uniform speed of x plus 30 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the car in y plus 2 hours. Distance, that is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So speed equal to x plus 30 km per hour. X plus 30 km per hour. Time, what is that? Y plus 2 hours. Y plus 2 hours. So distance traveled, that is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Therefore d equal to x plus 30 into y plus 2. X plus 30 into y plus 2. Xy plus 2x plus 30y plus 60. X plus 30 of y plus 2. We have to product the each term x into y, xy, x into y, xy, x into 2, 2x, 30 into y, 30y, 30 into 2, 60. That is distance covered by the car. Understand? Okay, next question. Listen the question carefully. Next one, objective type questions. Objective type questions. Objective type questions. Okay. First question. The product of seven p power cube and 2p square. 2p square the whole power 2 equal to dash. So now we have to product, that is 7 p power cube into 2p square the whole power 2. Therefore 7 p power cube into, so 2 you have to product, 2 2s are 4, 2 square 4, therefore p square, 2 2s are 4, therefore p power 4, p power 4. Okay, again 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, therefore p power cube into p power 4, therefore the power will be, the base will be same, therefore power will be, we should add, that is we can write p power 3 plus 4, that is we can write 28 into p power 7, p power 7. So the given option is, what is A option? Option A is 14 p power 12, 14 p power 12. Given option B 28 p power 7, 28 p power 7. Option C 9 p power 7. Option D 11 p power 12, 11 p power 12. Okay, so listen, so what is the answer? This one 28 p power 7. What is the option? This one. Therefore so B is a correct, B is correct, B is correct. 28 p power 7, 28 p power 7, that is 28 p power 7, that is 7 4s are 28, therefore p power 3 into p power 4, we should add power, 3 plus 4 7, therefore 28 p power 7, 28 p power 7, that's all. So option is B is a correct, B is a correct. Then question number 11. Question number 11. That is exercise 3.1 in question number 11. Okay. Question number 11. That is the missing term of the product. The missing term. Missing terms. Terms in the product. In the product. In the product minus 3m cube. Minus 3m cube into n into 9 of bracket, that is equal to m power 4 into n power cube r. So listen, 3 minus 3 into m power 3 into n into 9, that is equal to dash m power 4 into n power 3, n power 3. Okay, so listen here. We should product this one. Minus 27 m power cube into n, that is equal to, it is dash, that is equal to m power 4 into n power 3. So what is missing here? So here m power 3, m power 3, here n power 4, n power 4. Okay, then here n cube. Okay, just listen. The missing term will be, we have to divide. It is minus 27, there is no numbers, therefore we can divide dash, that is equal to dash m power 4 into n power cube divided by minus 27 into m power 3 into n. This is, you have to divide. Dash, it is now dash. Okay, so we have to cancel this one. What is remaining? It is 3, it is 4. So 3, it will go up, that is minus, that we can write m power 4 minus 3, that is m power 1. Therefore also the 1 will be transposed to upper value, that is we can write n power 3 minus 1. Therefore n square. So what is the remaining value? Upper value dash, that is m into n square divided by minus 27. Therefore அப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம், நம்ம இது வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா இந்த வேல்யூ இங்கே வரணும். ஓகேங்களா, இந்த வேல்யூ இங்கே வரணும், இந்த வேல்யூ இங்கே வரணும். அப்படியே டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் என்னது, அப்படியே பொண்ணுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்போஸ். அப்படின்னா த ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஓகேங்களா என்ன வருங்க, மைனஸ் 3m பவர் கியூப் இன்ட்டு n into 9. வாட் இஸ் மிஸ்ஸிங் டைம் உனக்கு, எம்மா, அப்போது m வரும், m into n square, that is equal to, இங்கே என்ன மிஸ் ஆகுது உங்களுக்கு, that is 27, minus 27 தான் மிஸ் ஆகுது, அப்படியே போட்டுக்கோ. that is what is the value, minus 27 எழுதிக்கலாமா, அது m பவர் 4 இன்ட்டு n கியூப். ஆக்சுவலி பார்த்தோன்னா இதுதான் ஆன்சரு, இங்கே இதுதான் ஆன்சரு. ஆன்சர் இஸ் n ஸ்கொயர் minus 27. ஓகே, அப்போ வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா உனக்கு ஆப்ஷன் சி தான் கரெக்டு. வாட் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் சி? ஆப்ஷன் சி இஸ் m ஸ்கொயர் இன்ட்டு, சாரி உனக்கு என்ன இருக்குது, உனக்கு n ஸ்கொயர் தான், n ஸ்கொயர் ஆப்ஷன் டி, ஆப்ஷன் டி தான் கரெக்டு. தட் இஸ் m into n ஸ்கொயர் minus 27. இதுதான் உனக்கு ஆப்ஷன் டியில் இருக்குது ஆப்ஷன். இதுதான் உனக்கு ஆப்ஷன் டியில் இருக்கிற ஆப்ஷன். ஆன்சர் வில் பி n ஸ்கொயர் minus 27. இதுதான் உனக்கு ஆன்சர். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்க்கலாங்களா? கொஷின் நம்பர் 12. கொஷின் நம்பர் 12. ஓகே, பாருங்கப்பா. எக்ஸசைஸ் 3.1 கொஷின் நம்பர் 12. Okay, if the area of a square, if the area of a square is 36 x power 4 into y power 2, then its side is, okay, dash. பாருங்க, ஏரியா ஆஃப் ஸ்கொயர், இதுதான் உனக்கு ஸ்கொயர், ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? ஓகே, ஸோ இதுதான் உனக்கு ஸ்கொயர். த ஆல் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். ஓகே, இப்போ ஏரியா ஆஃப் ஸ்கொயர் ஃபார்முலா தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? ஏரியா ஆஃப் ஸ்கொயர் ஃபார்முலா ஏ ஸ்கொயர், side into side. Okay, therefore area of a square equal to a square. Therefore what is the area given? 36 into x power 4 into y power 2, that is equal to a square. இப்படி இருக்கா? ஓகே, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறோம் நம்ம? 36 என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம? we can write 6 into 6. இது என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம? x squared into x squared. y squared என்ன பண்ணலாம்? y into y, that is equal to a power 2 கூட போட்டுக்கோம். a power 2. ஓகே, எல்லாமே டபுள் டைம் இருக்கா? என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம? சிங்கிளாக மாற்றிடலாம். 6 into x squared into y the whole square போட்டுக்கலாம். கரெக்டாக டபுள் டைம் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? நான் சிங்கிள் டைம் போட்டு பவர் 2 போட்டுக்கிட்டேன். அப்போ a the whole square. நல்லா பாருங்கள். இப்போ டபுள் சிக்ஸுக்கு சிங்கிள் சிக்ஸ் போட்டு பவரில் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகேவா? அப்போது 6 × 6 36, 6 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் 36. அப்போ வேல்யூ மாறாமல் இருக்குது. வேல்யூ நமக்கு இப்போ மாறாமல் இருக்குது. அப்போ ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஓகே, இந்த ஸ்கொயரும் கேன்சல் ஆகிடுச்சு. அப்போது 6x²y that is equal to a. Answer will be a equal to 6x²y. 6x²y. So what is the option? The option is C. C is 6x²y. இதுதான் உனக்கு கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன். நல்லா பாருங்கள். இப்போ it is if the area of a square is 36x⁴ into y⁴, then its side is given. What is given? The area is given. We have to find out the sides. Therefore area of a square equal to a square. Therefore 36x⁴ into y⁴, that is equal to a square. So 36 we can write 6 into 6. x⁴ we can write x² into x square. Y square we can write y into y, that is equal to a⁴. Therefore 6x²y into the whole power 2. The double term we can write the single term. You can write the single term. Yes, that is we can write square cancel. Therefore a equal to 6x²y. A equal to 6x²y. Therefore option C is correct. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Yes. Then question number 13. Okay. Question number exercise 3.1. Question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13. If the area of rectangle, if the area of a rectangle that is 48 meter square n cube. 48 meter square n cube. Therefore the hose length is and the hose length is 8 square. Then breadth, then its breadth is what dash. Listen the question. If the area of a rectangle is 48 m² n cube and the course length is 8 m n square, then its breadth is dash. Okay, so the area of rectangle, the area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle, what is the formula? L into B. So what is the value? 48 m square into n power cube, that is equal to, what is the given? Length is 8 m into n square into breadth. Correct? Okay, now we want to divide. That is 48 m square into n power cube divided by the 8 m n square. You can transpose to left hand side. 8 m n square, that is equal to b. So we have to cancel this one. It is a one time, it is 6 times. Therefore here 1, so m2 minus 1, therefore m Therefore n cube minus 2 n. Therefore 6mn, 6mn, that is equal to b. This is called breadth. This is called breadth. So what is the answer? Option A. Option A. Option A is the correct, that is 6mn. 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 Okay, then question number 14. Question number 14. Yes, exercise 3.1. Question number 14. If the area of rectangle, if the area of a rectangle rectangular land is a square minus b square units. The whose breadth is a minus b, then length. Okay, area of a rectangular land. The area of a rectangle L into B. Okay, that is what is the value? A square minus b square, into length value we don't know, so breadth is given, length equal to length into a minus b. So now I need L value, therefore a square minus b square, it is identity. We can write a minus b into a plus b. The a minus b transposed to left hand side, that is we can write divide a minus b equal to L. So a minus b cancel, therefore L equal to a plus b. So option B is a plus b. Option B is a plus b. Understand? So listen here. If the area of a rectangular land is a square minus b square units, the whose breadth is a minus b, then length is area of a rectangle equal to L into b. Therefore the area of rectangle value will be a square minus b square, that is equal to length, we don't know the value, breadth is given a minus b. What is that? A minus b. Therefore a square minus b square, it is now identity. What is identity? A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b divided by a minus b. So a minus b will be cancelled. Therefore L equal to a plus b. Option B, a plus b. Option B, a plus b. Then question number 13, let's see. If the area of a rectangle is 48 m square into n cube and the whose length is 8 mn square, then its breadth is dash. We have to find out the breadth. Find out the breadth. So the area of a rectangle equal to L into B. So area of rectangle, what is the value? 48 m square into n cube, that is equal to 8 mn square into B. So the 8 mn square transfers to left hand side, that is 48 m square into n cube divided by 8 mn square. We have to cancel, we will get the value B equal to, breadth. Breadth is 6 mn. Breadth is 6 mn. Option A. Option A. Listen, question number 12. The area of a square, that is 36 x power 4 into y power 2. Then side is, so it is now square. It is now square. Area of a square, what is the value? A square. That is, therefore 36 x power 4 into y square, that is equal to a square. Therefore 36 we can write 6 into 6, x power 4 we can write x square and x squared, y square we can write y into y. Therefore all the terms are double terms, we can write a single term, that is like a 6x square into y the whole square, that is equal to a square. So square square cancel, we can write a equal to 6x square y, that is equal to a. Therefore option C is correct. Option C is correct. Thank you.